I was getting ready earlier guys and napansin ko lang na paubos na tong pomegranate lip balm ko. This is actually from 1020 and this is the very first product I got from them. Tagal ko nang ginagamit to, maybe about 3 months now. And as you can see, paubos na talaga siya. And just a month ago guys, I decided to try their collagen whitening foundation kasi I really like their lip balm. Sabi ko maybe I'll like the foundation too. So binigyan ko siya ng chance and guess what? Sometimes you really just have to trust your gut feeling and give new things a chance to prove themselves. New brand kasi siya and I know nakakadaw talaga sumubok ng hindi sikat na brand lalo na skin ang usapan, di ba? Relate ba? Yung feeling na pagod ka na makaksaya ng pera sa viral kuno na products and then ang mahal nga, ang liit pa ng sachet tapos hindi naman palahiyang yung Pinay skin natin or yung Morena skin natin. Yung tipong dalawang gamit mo lang simot na agad. But girl, I actually regret buying this foundation. Kasi nga, di ba, bakit ayaw niyo maubos? Tagal na nito pero parang hindi siya nababawasan talaga. This is 100 ml and feeling ko ang laki-laki niya. I don't think I can finish this anytime soon. Pansin ko lang sa 1020 ha. Hindi nila tinitipid users nila. Napakasulit, tagal maubos and super cheap pero ang quality is not cheap at all. And come on guys, look at the finish. It's a collagen whitening moisture foundation so hindi siya yung malagkit or cakey na feeling. It also has SPF 15 so protektado ka na, glowing ka pa. Partnered with this lip balm na napaka-hydrating talaga. So freshness overload ka na, no? Without breaking the bank at all. So if you're looking for a sign to switch to a brand na hindi ka lolokohin sa presyo at dami, this is it. Don't sleep on 1020 guys. Check out my link down below.